Oftentimes when you are starting a business, one of the first things that people do is go get an EIN number. And many of you have probably been operating your single member LLC for quite a while. You think that you've been doing great, and I'm pretty sure some of you have, but I want to kind of break down a few things and hopefully help educate some of you on why it is that you probably are hitting a number of different roadblocks. So the first thing is, should you even have an EIN number? So what I'm going to do is take you all to the IRS's website, which is the official website of the United States government. And it says, do you even need an EIN? You will need an EIN if you answer yes to any of the following questions. Do you have employees? Now, I want to kind of pause right here because a lot of times when I ask people that question, they do say yes. And in fact, what they are referencing is contractors, and contractors are not employees. Employees get a W-2 form at the end of the year that highlights not only how much money that they've made, but how much they've paid in federal taxes, in addition to Social Security and Medicare taxes. So if you are not actually paying someone on a W-2 form where taxes are being taken out, they're not an employee. Do you operate a business as a corporation or partnership? This should be very eye-opening because this question has no connection to an LLC. It's either a corporation or a partnership. Do you file any of these tax returns? Employment, excise, alcohol, tobacco, and firearms. Do you withhold taxes on income other than wages? Paid to a non-resident alien? This doesn't really apply. And do you actually have a trust, estate, real estate, mortgage investment company, nonprofit organizations, etc., etc.? So if none of these apply to you, you shouldn't have an EIN. Additionally, oftentimes you hear people say that an LLC is separate from the individual, and I'm going to go ahead and show you how it's not. So when it has the company name LLC and your name is on this paper, you, my friend, are not separate. You are not separate, and I'm going to show you why. Here's the EIN paperwork of a corporation. As you can see, no one's name is on there. This is a separation between the owner and the company. This is not. Hopefully that kind of helped shed some light on a number of things that you may have been experiencing. But as I stated, should you need any help, my consulting firm will be more than happy to help structure your business properly, set you up and put you in the right position to be able to go ahead and achieve those goals that you have, which is, I'm assuming, to leave a legacy for your family. By way of a single member LLC, while that is a start, that is not the end all be all, or should not be the end all be all, especially if you're aspiring to grow some significant generational wealth. So with that being said, again, hopefully this was helpful, short and sweet to the point. Feel free to reach out, schedule a consultation. We'll be more than happy to walk you through the process.